Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to add an anchor tag. Now, in essence, what I really mean is that once your students have access to your sales page and they go to enroll now, you're going to be able to give them the opportunity by pressing that button to be jumping straight down to your course pricing. Okay. Now, typically you would have several different options for your pricing, from free to monthly to annually to lifetime, whatever it may be. But often our members are wanting them to be taken straight down to the pricing plan. So by pressing enroll now, they're then instantly going to be jumping straight down to the pricing options. So let's show you how to do it. So here we are right at the top of your page. We've got the button here, which is the most important thing, which we're going to be coming back to. But firstly, we're going to be starting on the block here. Okay, so you'll see the little right arrow icon here. We need to be going on to the HTML code. Okay, now sometimes, not always, on your top line of your div class, you will be assigned an ID already. Okay, so this particular block may or may not be assigned an ID. Okay, if you look at mine, I haven't. So what I need to do is I need to be adding an ID. Okay, and what this means is that in essence it's an identifier. So this pricing block is going to have an identifier to it. So if I assign it elsewhere, then it's going to be finding and targeting towards that ID. Okay, so what we're going to do here, quick space, and we're going to add in ID equals pricing. Okay, all in brackets. So ID equals, and then my ID itself in brackets. Then I'm going to press save. Now I'm going to move back up to my enroll now button, onto settings and settings here. And it's really important here for the action, it needs to go to the link. And then we're going to use a hashtag and we're going to go with our ID, which is pricing. Then press save. And let's preview. So here we are on the main page, and one of your students come to the enroll now button, and straight away it jumps straight down to their course pricing options. Okay, now this is applicable. It works exactly the same way with all of your other blocks. If you would like them to move up or down to different blocks, different options, different content, in this instance it just shows you for the course pricing. But it's just a really useful hack, little tool to just add in an ID for your enroll now button, which will jump straight down to the pricing block.